Hello members of the Contra Costa Association Realtors. This is Greg Souza, your 100th year anniversary president for 2021, here with your bi-weekly update video. We finally have open houses back again. Can you believe it? Do you remember how to do them? It's been a while. As we start to get back to feeling like life is a little bit closer to normal, we have now again more forms to be had. So the PED is getting consolidated, which is great. Then we have a new one, the LOHA, the LOHA, which will be an addendum to your listing agreement that you'll have to sign to be able to have access into it. Another form we have is the PRE, the rules for entry, the BPPP, which is the preventative plan. So you'll have to have these notices posted out front. People will have to sign in. The PEDs will have to be signed, only one group at a time. Have the doors open, have the windows open to the home. Another new partnership we have is with the CE shop, the continuing education shop. Self-paced courses starting at $9. We have a promo going on to kick this partnership off, 40 to 50% off between May 17th and the 23rd if you use promo code LAUNCH. The other one is on the 19th. If you use promo code SPLASH, which is really exciting. Another partnership we just formed is with the Builders Update. It's a program for us agents to be able to go on, utilize as a portal to search for new construction and for the builders to get in front of the agents. It's been hard to get into some of these properties. You're probably writing a lot of offers like myself. Maybe going into new construction might be a better option for some of those clients that are very particular. Another one is List Track. Be able to track your listings around the public-facing websites, the MLS, of course, the IDX sites. Be able to get those performance matrix, be able to share that with your sellers. And those tough conversations when you're looking to modify your listing. So those are some of the fun things that we have for you. Constantly evolving, a lot of things that are always going on. I know you have a lot of questions. Please continue to reach out to your district directors. That's what they're there for. Of course, my door is always open to you. Love to help grow your business, help you elevate your professionalism and your sphere of influence. Please stay in the best of health, and we'll catch you in a few weeks.